very gold. Hi guys, this is Dr. Jonas Apostol, and I'll be discussing with you the case. So this one, she came to my clinic with the chief complaint of having that, ang sabi niya, the patient's own word, gusto ko gumanda ngipin ko at magpantay ang kulay. She has a crown on her two front teeth that was installed 10 years ago. Tapos may mga composite siya on both lateral teeth on the upper. The consistency of the crown, it's kinda hindi na maganda. It's yellowish, it's stained, and also the composite on the laterals are also problematic. So there's like a big cavities there. Not just that, patient has a root fragment on her tooth number 24. So it's upper left first premolar. Meron dong natira na ngipin, na ugat. So we have to make sure that we remove that before we restore it, because we don't want anything, could be a potential for a possible infection. So we have to get rid of that root fragment. And it's kind of exposed, so we have to make sure na matanggal natin. So as you can see here, there's a discolored tooth structure on both 1-1 and 2-1. So dalawang central incisors discolored na. Tooth number 1-5 naman has caries and it's supra-erupted. So ibig sabihin nakababa siya ng sobra. It's because of the loss of the antagonist. Yung ngipin niya sa baba is nabunot na. So the upper teeth supra-erupted. So hindi na siya, wala na siya sa line. So we have to also do something about it because it's creating damage not just to the teeth but also to the TMJ. So these are things that we have to consider. On tooth number 1-5, we plan to do an intentional root canal. We explained it to the patient na there's no way for us to fix that without doing root canal kasi it's too much. So either we will extract that or we will do root canal. Of course, we want to save the tooth structure or we want to save the tooth itself because extracting is not our thing here in our clinic. So yun, root canal. So patient agreed. The process here kasi, we have to make sure that we get all the diagnostics. That's number one, it's given. We have to make sure that the patient is healthy enough to receive a dental treatment. And also the OPG or the panoramic x-ray, we get that as our gold standard dito sa practice na we check the condition of the teeth from the inside. So after getting the x-ray, we also have photography. Dapat we get all the shots he did to check whenever the patient smiles. Dapat nakikita namin yung profile kasi we can use that in our designing. And also we have another process. We call it dentofacial analysis. So kinukuha namin yung sukat ng mid-face and lower face. We also have a method, a systematic process also in getting that. So may sukat lahat. Also the shade of the teeth and the patient wants kung ano ba yung design na gusto niya. Before we discuss the whole thing and proceed with the preparation and everything. So preparation was done conservatively, pero for those na naka-crown na, we have to make sure na-crown pa din. So we have to respect that also by getting all the caries. Dapat free from any infection, dapat walang cavities, and most importantly, we are a big fan of preservation and conservation of tooth structure. After the preparation, laboratory works usually 7 to 10 days. We characterize the ceramics, all the nuances there, like translucency, the color, even yung mga line angles, we have to make sure that it should be on point. And number one thing that we also do is yung fit, dapat it should be perfect because fit is king. If there's any impingement, may impinge doon, it can irritate the gums, and the irritation can cause gingivitis, and gingivitis can cause bad breath. If left untreated, it can cause and develop, it could progress into a periodontal disease, which is harmful to your gums, harmful to your bone, and harmful to your body. That's why we have to make sure that we eliminate these types of problem, yung mga fit problem. So cementation is very important. We have a system also when we do that. If it's a lithium disilicate, we have a system on that. For that, and for let's say zirconium oxide, we also have a system on how we cement it the right way. And then, yeah, voila! Ito na yung result. This is the result of our hard work. We need to make sure that everything should be in place. And after that, na-check na namin yung fit, yung design, the patient approved it, we cemented it, okay na. What's next? You have to protect your teeth. You have to make sure that your ceramics should be well protected. Ginagawa namin, we give the patient night guard. And it's a must. Hindi siya pwedeng baka hindi na. Okay? So you protect your investment by using night guard. And lastly, we need to make sure that there's no excess cement. Kasi during the cementation process, there's still a potential cement left inside. So we have to make sure that we remove that. That's why follow-up is a must. It's as important as the whole cementation process kasi hindi pwedeng we're just gonna leave it there. One of the problems is that it can cause irritation to the gums. Isa yun. And also, we have to check the bite. Equilibration is a must as well. And usually in my practice, we use a T-scan to make sure that the bite should be on point, equally distributed. So yun. So you just have to remember that you need to use your night guard and it's well equilibrated. And then yung recall usually after 6 months. The result is stunning. It's beautiful. It looks natural. It's a combination of crowns, veneers, and bridge. So yun, papakasal siya. She wants to have the best smile during her big day. I love the result here. It looks natural, especially we have implemented yung triad natin is health, function, and aesthetics. So palaging health is the number one concern. We have to make sure that we get rid of the whatever diseases, their dental diseases, gum diseases, and then establish the functionality. So the teeth should be functional. You should eat with your teeth because that's the purpose of the teeth, diba? So dapat it should add value to your life and quality. That kind of smile transformation because we are not just focusing on the beauty here. So icing na lang yan, yung beauty. So it's easier for us to create something beautiful if it's healthy. We have to make sure that everything should be on point. So I think we're done and yeah, let's go!